Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to fit this bad boy, the Ark XO 500 series, because I am fed up with this rusted, worn out piece of crap here. It's an Ark as well, you can see by the blue, but it's done its dash. It's really hard to move around with that thing, so I'm looking forward to putting this one on, testing it out. Over here you can see I've just done the first coat on the drawbar box of black zinc. I think I'll need another coat, and then I'll start putting the cladding or the sides on that, and that goes up there, and I can start welding up the spare tire carrier like just in front of the box here. And at the moment this old thing gets in the way, so it's time for it to go. I'm going to put that on. I'm going to do a hyperlapse, and I can already see from the instructions that this will not take very long. Anyway, check it out. Right, so a little bit longer than I expected, but found a solution. Now, as you can see, ended up on the opposite side to what I was originally planning. I'm going to put it here. Now, the problem was, I didn't see it until I went like this. And you can see that little bit of tube that's running along the inside of the rail there, just here. That runs the brake line, the hydraulic brake line. And not quite enough room there, so I had to flip over the other side, which then I encountered the VIN number, which is like there. But VIN number fits in between those two steel brackets there. Yeah, so once I got that sorted, it goes good. Nice and smooth, rolls nicely. Looks nice. And check this out. Magnetic. So this thing has height adjustment, so I can go one more pin up, which then in turn makes it easier to maneuver because there's less strain on it. So much easier to pick the actual whole assembly up and swing it up this way. So much easier. I mean, the only thing that I could really, just being really picky, is, I mean, this bracketry here, it's a bit untidy, but you know what, that's a minor thing. Put up with that. Now the only other thing I'm going to do, I reckon, is thinking of painting it, but yeah, we'll leave that for now. Just need to get this thing working. Looks good, works good. Now to remove the old. If you like this video, if it's useful, like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you later. Alright, so I'm back again. Anyway, I had to finish that last little segment a bit early, a bit quick, because my wife was calling me. So what I'm going to do is, so this will be the video just for the fitment, which is bloody easy, I might say. Now, approximately, I'm going to just make a guess here, maybe about 10-15 minutes. if I didn't stuff around a bit. Yeah, 15 minutes. Easy. I used a ring spanner, you can see on the floor there. Could have used a socket or an impact wrench, and this would have been done in like 5 minutes. It's that easy. So far so good. I reckon once I get this trailer up and going, I might do a testing review, but I reckon this thing's going to be great. It's going to be excellent, I reckon. If you have any questions or anything specific about the trailer or the jockey wheel for that matter, yeah, just put a comment down below, or during this video. I'm pretty sure you can subscribe to the channel just in sort of that corner down there. Other than that, I'll get this old manky little jockey wheel off so I can progress. See you guys.